hey, ya, hey, ya, oh, hey, yo, way, oh, hey, ya.
Kwai kwai. That's welcome in Abenaki. My name is Chief Paul Gilawato Bunnell. Gilawato is Abenaki name for he searches for something. That is my Abenaki name. Today we're going to be talking about smudging ceremony that we do in most of our meetings. And we use tobacco and sage and usually a shell. And we have a blessing and send out good wishes to our spirits and to our family and our friends. And we'll light it here with this. And we have a little bit of the white purified smoke that we brush upon ourselves to cleanse our spirit and our body. And if we were standing, we would wash it all over our body in the back, all the way up and down our front and back. And with this, we bless our spirits and our, like I said, our family. And we send out good blessings to our military people, all those that are suffering from the virus. And with this, we do our blessing. We usually use a feather. We can use our hands if we don't have a feather. And we bless all of our family, our friends, the world, our trees, our flowers, our plants, our animals, and our sacred water and Mother Earth. Aho.
Sego Sewagwego, Erica Niyungets. Hi everybody, my name is Erica and I work for Tujunhat Ungulwana Language and Cultural Center in Tyendinaga. Today I'm going to show you how to make a corn husk doll. To get started, you'll need scissors, string, and corn husks that have been soaking in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll also want a towel to lay down on your surface to absorb any extra water. So to get started, you'll need to choose about 4 of them and just sort of lay them out overlapping and try and line up the wide end at the bottom. And then bring them together, and at the top where it's more narrow, just tie a piece of your string. Make sure it's fairly tight so that it's not going to come loose when you're doing the rest of your doll. And then, so we're making the head right now. So you kind of want to peel your corn husks down, sort of like a banana. Very gently so you don't rip any of them. And then, so this part is going to be the head of your doll. So you kind of want to just arrange your corn husks how you like them, and tie off around the neck, like so. And again, make sure your knot is fairly tight. And there you've got the head of your doll. So next we're going to make the arms. And so I'm going to just find where my corn husk splits. And for this, you'll want a couple of probably smaller pieces. And I'm going to lay them so the wide ends are on the opposite sides to kind of help even it out. And there you've got your arms. So find your split again and just kind of push the arms up until they look fairly even. And then we're going to tie it off underneath at your doll's waist. Again, make sure you got a tight knot there so it doesn't come undone. And I'm also going to tie off the ends of the arms to kind of make it look like she's got hands. There's one. And two. And you can cut off your extra string. And there you go, your very own corn husk doll. So if you wanted it to be wearing pants, you could split the corn husks this way and kind of tie them off at the bottoms the same way we did the hands here. And then it'll look like pants. So I'm just going to let her dry for a little while, a few days, and then she'll be ready.
Way you way yo hey hey ya hey ya.